I'm gonna take this plate here and I'm gonna make almost like a place for the turbo to rest. So it'll basically be like this on this side, come under the turbo, and then I have a pipe on the bender now, and I'm going to bend it at a 90 and actually weld off of this tube here and come up on this side, come up at a 90, brace the turbo on this side and weld it to this roll bar here. So, you know, obviously the plan, we're going to line up the bulge there with that pipe, and then now I'm going to start working on where the turbo will mount. All right, starting to make some shape here. So obviously this is where the turbo sits. This is the outside. So I'm gonna trim this so I can mount the turbo to it and begin shaping the end. Before we get down to it though, this is a reminder, this car is being given away when the channel hits 1 million views. Subscribe to us here and follow us on Instagram. All right, let's get to work. I need to move or change the output here so I can spin it, right? And clock the turbo so I can fit it the way I would like to in the cart. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Guys, look at that. Oh, snap. So we're going to use the 90 on it, and then we're going to go back to this walker piece here, and essentially we're going to do this with it. So we'll have it bend up there and run back under the car. So basically going to take this little piece here from AutoZone, 2.5 to 2 inch OD. The factory piping is 2 inch. So I'm going to take and weld this on. Then I can take this end, will come off the factory, boop, right into the big long feed pipe. have the piece here that'll slide down onto that and get welded. We'll work on this to make it fit, and then that way it'll go up to the end, the bottom here like this. Look at that. Woo! I love being so plasma cutting. It has been amazing. Steven brought the clamps for this part so it keeps it nice and tight. This will go to Justin Jones to weld on the wastegate. Again, we're mounting it right to the housing. Exhaust for it will come this way. Exhaust for the car will come this way. Bingo, bango. It'll look super cool and fancy. All right, guys. Stacking the inch and 3/4 pipe just like that. I'm gonna weld around the edge here. Probably gonna be super ugly, but it will get the wastegate pipe on, and then we'll move on to the exhaust pipe.